Host, Mr. Zhang. How do passengers inside UFOs handle such extreme acceleration without harm? Mr. Zhang. Well, this is an interesting one. Many witnesses have reported seeing UFOs make sudden turns, vanish instantly, or reappear out of nowhere. In fact, the U.S. Navy SF Hornet fighter jets capture footage showing UFOs accelerating at speeds many times faster than any Earth aircraft. But how do the passengers inside survive that kind of acceleration? After all, humans can only withstand the g-force of about 7 to 10 times Earth's gravity before it's fatal. So, are these aliens just super strong? Actually, it's not about their bodies being tough. The real reason has to do with how their UFOs function. The technology they use reduces the mass of their craft to near zero. When their mass is nearly zero, the UFO can move at incredible speeds without the passengers feeling any of the extreme g-forces. It's like they're in a state of quasi-zero mass, even though they're accelerating rapidly. The force acting on their bodies is minimal because their mass is so small. For example, imagine an alien passenger weighs 50 kilograms. Normally, at such high speeds, the force on their body would be deadly. But because the craft reduces their mass to almost nothing, that force is barely felt. This is why someone inside a UFO can withstand what would be fatal g-forces for us on Earth. There's even a story from a witness in Myanmar who saw UFO up close. He was shocked to see no reaction in the air around it, no wind, no movement, almost like it wasn't really there. That's because, from our perspective, the UFO exists in a different space, one that doesn't interact with our physical environment in the same way. Host, and what about the lack of sonic booms when they move so fast? Mr. Zhang, great question. The reason UFOs don't create a sonic boom, and where there's no air resistance or friction, is because they aren't traveling through our space in the same way. They operate in a different dimension or space, one that doesn't interact with ours. That's also why they don't generate heat or show up on infrared sensors. In fact, when a US fighter pilot detected a UFO, he was puzzled as to why it didn't show up on his infrared scan. The real reason is that the UFO wasn't fully in our dimension. It was in another space and time, making it invisible to our tools and sensors. Host, if you found this breakdown of UFO technology mind-blowing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more out of this world content, and share your thoughts in the comments.